We are here at the Cedar Mountain View Cabin in Decherd, Tennessee, and it has incredible views as well as a gaming garage. So let's go take a look. We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. We are a young married couple traveling all over to find the most unique Airbnbs out there and share them with you. So when we first arrived, we fell in love with the sleek black exterior that makes it look so cool. So let's go up the stairs to the first deck. So up here on this nice spacious deck, you see these incredible mountain views, and since we're here in fall, all the trees are changing colors and it is gorgeous. And that's just on the bottom deck. Wait till you see the upper deck. They also have this outdoor seating area, dining area, so you can eat a meal outside and enjoy the views if you want to. Let's head inside. So the first thing that you notice when you walk in here is it is decorated beautifully and very aesthetically pleasing in this cabin. Off to this side is the little living room area that has a cozy, comfy couch as well as a chair. And we are sitting right across from the entertainment center that has TV so you can watch movies, have fun. And then right below that is this huge slab of wood that they are actually using as a counter space. And they have little stools that go with it. So this is technically your dining room area, which is very clever for this small space. They've used it really, really well. And then right off the living room is the washer and dryer, so you can wash your clothes while you're here, especially if you're here for an extended period of time. And they have shelves for storage. And then right across from there is the bathroom. So they have a full bath with a walk-in shower and plenty of soaps and towels for you. So this place is stocked with amenities. Coming over into the kitchen area is a fully stocked kitchen as well with a cute little stove and oven combo, refrigerator, microwave, huge sink, and these cabinets are really unique because there's actually a drawer that comes out below the upper cabinets, and I have never seen that before. So it's unique, cute, fully stocked for any meal. It's awesome. Then coming to the first bedroom, there are 2 twin beds in here as well as a storage space for your clothes, and you can see the gorgeous views out these 2 windows. It is so cute in here. I love it. Now we are going to head upstairs, and these stairs are super cute because they've got a little design on the front of each stair, and I love it. It's so cute. At the top of the stairs is your master bedroom area that actually has a lot to offer. So over here you've got a super comfortable queen bed, and they've loaded you up with towels, chocolates, a sweet note from the host, fresh flowers, and then even some additional little mosquito patches because they actually like to support different businesses, and so they will have those things in their Airbnb to promote them as well, which is so sweet. Across from the bed you have a TV for entertainment, and then back this way, I love all these little green plants. They're so cute. And they even have robes, so you can feel nice and cozy while you stay here. They also have a workspace, so if you need to do some work or get some things done while you're here, this place is perfect, as well as a sweet guest book for you to leave a note. And then one of our favorite parts, the top deck. This top deck has the most breathtaking view, and it is incredible out here. They also have a little seating area over here so you can eat out on this top deck, as well as a bench. And then an amazing bonus to this entire place is this hot tub that looks over the incredible mountain view. I cannot wait to hop in this later with Hayden. We are gonna have so much fun using this thing. And speaking of Hayden, he is gonna show you the rest of the amenities on this property. So let's go.
There's a few more things to show you about this space. The first one is the gaming garage. This place is sweet. Let's go on in. The best part about this space is the hosts have thought about everybody. Doesn't matter how old or young you are, there is something in here for you. They've got a foosball table, air hockey over here, and then in both of these back corners, vintage arcade games, Pac-Man and Galaga. And then they've got a massive couch here, looking right at the TV. It's got a PlayStation 3 connected to it, and plenty of games. And then over here on the side, you've got a large Connect 4 game and a chest of toys for little kids. And then last but not least, a dartboard. This really is a perfect space to hang out, relax, have fun. And then they also have a fridge and freezer, games up above it. And then I love the design on this back wall. It just ties it all in to make it a really cool space. Now let's go out behind the gaming garage. Between the cabin and the garage, they've strung up lights. Gives you plenty of lighting when you're out here at night. Back here, beautiful fire pit area. You actually step up to it. It's an encased metal fire pit, chairs around it, and a grill. Perfect space out here to eat, enjoy, have fun. A really neat thing about this Airbnb is there's actually a lot of land to it. There's a bridge over here that goes over their creek, and it'll bring you right up to the rope hammock that's got gorgeous views. And then at the top, the highest point of the property, they've built a gazebo, but the best part about that is because it's higher than the cabin, you get even better views and can see out this side as well over the trees. It is just a beautiful, peaceful place. And then out the front here, the host has actually provided cornhole in front of the cabin itself, out in this drive area. Plenty of space to park, and then a little picnic table down at the bottom if you want to change up your scenery. The Cedar Mountain View Cabin really is a complete experience. It's got everything you need, no matter who you bring. It's going to be a fun time. You're gonna love it. This is definitely one of those places that you want to stay multiple nights just so that you can enjoy all that it has to offer. We are so excited to be staying here tonight. There are really not enough words to describe how amazing this place is. The Cedar Mountain View Cabin is not just a cozy stay, but an incredible and fun experience. The host actually bought this cabin and this land. They own about 25 acres total. They bought it in 2017, and the cabin looked completely different. The land looked completely different. They had to bring in a ton of soil and sod to get the beauty out of this land that they have. And then they redid the exterior of the cabin and gave it that charcoal gray, which we think looks incredible. And then the inside they completely redid, brought their own touch to it, and it really is beautiful. And all the extra amenities, from the hot tub to the fire pit, the hammock and the gazebo, and then also that awesome gaming garage. It really has everything for everyone, and it is so fun. And not to mention the incredible views out every window, every part of the property. You've just got a breathtaking view wherever you sit, wherever you hang out.
We were so lucky to meet the host, Amanda and Nathan. Sadly, it was under some crazy circumstances, so unfortunately, the first night that we got here, I came down with awful food poisoning, and then Hayden, while flying the drone, got the drone stuck in the very, very top of an extremely tall tree. And so the next day, they came out with our friend Jeremy, and after many attempts, we finally got the drone to come all the way down, and it survived, which is awesome. But we also got to talk to them about just their passion and their future plans, and we are so excited for everything they have in the works because it sounds awesome, and they were wonderful and so accommodating and so helpful. We loved getting to meet them.
If you want to stay here at the Cedar Mountain View Cabin, we will leave a link in the description below. But if you yourself are a host of an Airbnb or a short-term rental and you would like us to feature you, we would love to work with you. You can reach us at journeymore.com. But for now, come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.
These chairs are so cool. I love it. Time to relax a little bit while we watch dinner.
Oh.
Is this left-handed ball? Oh no! Ah, dang it!
I wondered, I was like, I feel like she should see that.
Nope. I didn't see it.
Need you.